Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum ladke ji. I hope you're all fine. Please stay home, stay safe. Subject English. Okay, on Monday you will do page number 11. Okay, now open your notebook, page number 11. Today we are going to revise the previous sound. Okay, first mothers, you have to mention the date and day, or is it our classwork or homework? This one is homework, so tick here. Okay, look at the first sound. You know the sound. Okay, look at the first sound. Which sound is it? This is S sound. Which sound is it? Which sound is it? And how to write A? You know it. Make her go up, come down. Okay, repeat after me. Make her go up, come down. Okay, look at the first and tell me. Look at the picture. What is this? This is apple. What is this? This is apple. What is the beginning sound of apple? Apple. Very good. Apple. Okay, look at the second sound. What sound is it? B. And what is the beginning sound of ball? Ball. Now I'm gonna tell you how to write B. B is down, go up, make a. B is down, go up, make a. Very good. I know you know it. Okay, which sound is it? K. Very good. K. Cat. Cat. Okay, how to write K? K write in 2 lines. You have to write K in 2 lines. And how to write duck? What is the beginning sound of duck? Duck. Very good. And how to write make K go up and come down. Well done. Now, very good. It's very easy to write. Do more practice at home. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.